Hi guys, this is Tracy from paulandtracy.com. In today's video tutorial, as part of our Wix series, I'll show you how to sign up for your Wix account and how to choose the best template for your website in order to get you started building your very own site as quickly and easily as possible. To get started, click the link in the description box below this video, and it will take you to this page. Once you get here, click Start Now. You should now be on the sign up page. To sign up, you can register using your email address, Facebook account, or Google account. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to sign up using my email address. Enter your email address here and retype your email here just to confirm it's correct. You can then enter a password of your choice, and again just retype the password in order to confirm that everything matches with the one you just entered, and then click Sign Up. When you first sign up, Wix will ask you 3 questions in order to customize your experience with them. I advise you to skip this. It will save you time and it will make no difference if you're going to use the Wix editor, which we are. You now have a choice on how to build your website. There are 2 options. The first is to use the ADI, which stands for Artificial Design Intelligence. But the ADI doesn't use any templates. And because you're here to learn how to select the best template, we're going to ignore this choice. So that leaves us with the second option of the Wix editor. The Wix editor has far more flexibility than the ADI and more options in the designing of your website. You get to choose from over 700 beautifully made templates and then modify them to suit your needs. But 700 templates is a lot of choice. In order to narrow it down, I will show you the best way to find your template in just 5 steps. So we'll select Choose a Template. Step 1 in finding the best template for your future website is to know what type of website you're building. As you can see, there are 5 main types of websites available through Wix. They are Business and Services, Store, Creative, Community, and Blog. In this tutorial, we'll be choosing the blog type. The 5 main types are broken down into categories. In Business and Services, there are 8, in Store, 1, in Creative, 6, in Community, 3, and Blog has just 1. So in this step, we are selecting one of these 19 categories for our type of website. We will be choosing the Blog category. There are a further 77 subcategories offered by Wix. In this tutorial, we'll be choosing the Personal Blog subcategory. This system helps you to narrow down your choice of template. Now, from the over 700 templates that we started with, we're down to 11. And those 11 match specifically what kind of website we're trying to create. This is much easier than searching through over 700 templates. So step 4 is to select one of the remaining templates. And I'm going to select the Ashley template as the first one I'm going to have a look at. You can hover over a template to reveal more about it. Click on Info to find out who the template would be good for. This template would be good for beauty, fashion, and personal vloggers. You're young, fun, and love making personal videos to share with others. Make sure it lines up with what you want. If it fits your personality, you've got the right one. You can also click on View to preview the template. And if you like what you see, you can look even closer. From here, you can view a full demonstration version by clicking on View Full Demo. This allows you to navigate around the website at full size as though it's an actual website. This is great in order to test out the functionality of the template, see how things look up close, and move about the website to test if it will work well for your intended use. Every template is fully customizable and simply offers you a starting point so that you don't need to build everything from scratch. All of the images, pages, and text can be modified to suit your own needs. If the template isn't right for you, look at the other ones that have attracted your attention. But leave open the ones that weren't quite right, as you can use them for inspiration later. There are a few alternatives to the 5-step system that I've just shared with you, and the first one is you can search for something specific, regardless of category, using the search box in the top right-hand corner. Some keywords you could search to find your best template could be jazzy, classic, modern, or you can be very creative with something like beach, or a color like blue, or something as unusual as coffee. At this point, what you're looking for is inspiration, as the standard step-by-step system that I shared with you earlier didn't work for you. One thing to know about using search to find templates is that the search results can be mixed and include a range of different types of websites for your search term. What I mean by that is that if you search for, say, engagement, the templates that appear will be for a range of different end users. For example, wedding planners, professional photographers, event caterers, as well as the personal wedding websites, which we were looking for. Any search term will mean different things depending on who you are and what you want. But you can use any template and customize it to your needs. Just something to keep in mind is that each template comes with certain apps, such as stores, bookings, or a blog, pre-installed in order to help get you started faster. So if you wanted to build a personal wedding website, but you selected a template of a professional photography website as your starting point, it will require more customization, as the features that were added by the template designer were created with the end user of a photographer in mind, not a bride or a groom. But don't worry, you can't break it. If everything goes wrong, you can just start again. You can view the newest templates from here. You can also view the most popular templates from here. You can also take inspiration from multiple templates and use the one you like the most and then incorporate elements from the other templates into your own website. It doesn't need to be perfect, but the idea is to pick a good structure that suits your needs, so most of the work is done for you, and then you get to go off and have fun editing the little details like photos and colors and so on. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're ready to start editing your new template, feel free to check out our mini tour of the Wix editor, linked in the description box below this video, where I will show you everything you need to know in order to get started editing your new site.